Hey there, future coder! Welcome to your very first step into the world of programming, the language of technology that powers the apps, games, and smart devices you use every day. But what is programming really?
Programming is how we tell computers what to do. Think of it like giving instructions, step by step, so your computer can understand, process, and act. With the right code, you can make a robot dance, build a website, or even teach an AI to chat like me. And to do that, we'll be using Python, a beginner-friendly programming language that's super powerful. It's used by companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA.
Let me walk you through some Python basics you'll use all the time. These foundational concepts are crucial for any Python programmer. Variables are fundamental elements in programming, representing data that can change. Variables are used to store and manipulate data in programs. Different data types include integers, strings, and booleans. For example, name =Alex, age =15. You store those values and use them later in the code.
Loops help us repeat actions without writing the same code over and over. Loops are used for iterating over data structures and automating repetitive tasks. Common types include for, while, and do-while loops. For example, for I in range 5, print hello. This prints hello 5 times. Easy, right? Make sure inside the for loop, the print statement needs to be indented.
Conditionals let the computer make decisions. Conditionals are used in programming to control flow and logic. For example, if age greater than or older to 13, print welcome to the coding club. Else, print come back in a few years. It checks conditions and runs code based on what's true.
Functions are reusable pieces of code. A function typically includes a name, parameters, and a body. They help encode reusability and organization. Imagine you want to greet users often. You can write it once and use it anywhere. For example, def greet, print, hi there, simple and powerful.
Now here's the exciting part. AI like me can help you code faster, debug errors, and learn smarter. You can ask things like, how do I make a quiz game in Python? Why is my loop not working? Or even, can you help me fix this code? AI makes learning to code more like having a 24/7 coding buddy.
By learning these basics, variables, loops, conditionals, and functions, you'll be able to build cool things in no time. And with AI at your side, you're not just coding, you're creating the future. Let's get started.